Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got 3 top watch faces we want you to check out, and there's going to be a giveaway as well. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we do have a giveaway going on, and these are going to be for the US, but stay tuned because we do have some watch faces coming up that's going to be for everyone. Okay, so just be patient with me, but let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. Now the name of this one is called SMZ Knight Pro. Very nice looking watch face. In an always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the most part, but when it's on, I'm liking the look. It gives you a whole host of information, and we're going to go through them real quick. Now if you look up at the top, it got Knights, the name of the watch face, and you come down, of course, you get your month, your date, your day. You also get shortcuts, so you can go into your music. It is interactive. Just simply tap on it, and you can go into your music, your weather, your calendar, your alarm clock. You come down, you can go into your email. You can also make a phone call from here. You also got your task manager. Let's go ahead and tap on that one, open that up real quick. You know, your recents that are right here. If you want to close them out or go into it, you can. Your settings. So it gives you a whole host of shortcuts. I like that. And you do get information on your step status, which I thought was pretty cool. Your steps, your heart rate, battery info. And if you double tap, let's say right here, or you could double tap on the time, you can change the color of the watch face. Well, the time. So I thought this was a very nice look. And considering that this is affordable in the Get Manager store, I say go ahead and check it out. All right, let's check out watch face number 2. Number 2. Now, number 2 is nice. This one is called SMZ Evo Square. Now, everything is pretty much squared off. I like what this watch face brings to the table. It is a super casual watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to almost get the same look. Kind of the same look as number 1 in a sense, right? But this one does look nice, but it looks a lot better when it's on. Now, up at the top, you're going to get your month, your date, and your day. You also get your battery info, steps. In the middle, you get a nice digital time, very legible. You come down, you get heart rate, step info, floors climbed, distance walked or ran. Also, you get a couple of shortcuts. So if you need to go into your text messages, single tap, you're there. Same thing with a phone call. So this watch face is definitely super convenient. If I tap right here, I can go in and get my recents if I need. So I'm liking what this watch face brings to the table. Now, we're not done. Now, I really like this. So I can change the theme of the watch face a little bit with a double tap. That looks nice. I like that one. I'm going to cycle through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. You're going to get 12 in all, right? So far as the different color themes are concerned and patterns. And I'm liking it. Now, the same thing with number 1, I didn't get to mention, you will get 12 different colors. With this one, I thought the developer did an awesome job with this watch face. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know your thoughts on this particular watch face. But not least, watch face number 3. This one is nice. Do not let this one fool you. The name of the watch face is called SMZ Evo WT. Now, in the always on mode, it's pretty much going to give you the same info as you would get when the watch face is on. You're going to get your month, your date, your day. You come down, you get nice big bold numbers for your digital time. You're going to get your heart rate information, step information, floors climbed down at the bottom, distance, miles walked or ran. Go back up at the top, you get battery info, a red PM stamp, and also your goal completed. This is a nice looking watch face, but it is interactive. So if I tap on my heart rate, I can go in and get my heart rate information. Also, I got my recents. If I tap on the battery right here, I can go in and get my recents. Got to tap on the precise. And I'm liking the recents. Now, also what I like about this is if I double tap, I can change the theme of this watch face, right? Check it out. Got a lot of different ones to choose from. Let's cycle through them. See, you got this one again. This is nice. Very nice. Now, the giveaway are going to be a lot of different watch faces. Some are going to look the same, but they're all going to be nice and they're all going to be casual. So make sure you comment down below so you don't miss out on your chance for a free watch face. Remember, it is for the US. We do have some watch faces coming up that's going to be for all countries, so look out for that one. And with that being said, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.